Before we get started, check down below in the video description for the best prices on the parts and tools I used for today's video. Today, we're working on my car. It's a 2012 Lexus CT200h, and we're doing the front brake pads and rotors. Let's check it out. After you've taken your wheel off with those 21mm lug nuts, we're gonna take our brake caliper off, which is this guy right here. You have a 14mm bolt here and a 14mm bolt right there. And then I'm just gonna kind of grab this caliper, pull him towards me a little bit. That'll compress the piston back a little bit. And then we'll just set this guy up and out of our way. Now we've got our brake pads sitting in here. Just go ahead and kind of pull them out. Set it there. Pull your other one out. My car just started. And there we go. And we can see this is definitely a used brake pad. So yeah, there you go. And the reason I set them like I do here is because when you take the new brake pads, we'll see the wear indicator is on this one, on this side. It's on this pad on this side. Sometimes it'll be on this pad on that side. And then just make sure you get the new pads lined up exactly how you had them come off there. So then if you want to take the rotor off, we've got some more bolts. We've got a bolt right here and a bolt right here, and then our brake caliper will come right off here, and then this rotor will slide right off. If it's not sliding off easily, they have these little bolts, well, these little holes for bolts. You can screw them in, and it's kind of like a press. Or the easier way is to take like a 4-pound hammer and just tap here, hit it pretty good and hard, and then you can also tap on the back side and it should just pop right off, and then the new one just slides on real well. Okay guys, so my phone died in like the last clip I was trying to do, so this is another day, but basically all was left to say was go ahead, make sure you lube up your slide pins. Let's see, make sure you put new rotors on. If you don't, you need to measure them. Talk to your parts store, get the tool to measure them. But if you're not going to do that, make sure you put new rotors on, because that can be dangerous. The pads are going to come with wear indicators. Right after this clip, I'll show you the incomplete clip, but you'll see the little clip. You basically just take it and pop it on. We're in the same position as the old one. So that's it. It's a pretty simple project. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay, and the new pads did not come with a